All right, guys, 2018 Ram 3500 Mega Cab. You know, for these things, you can't just plug in OBD. You gotta do 12+8 connector. So to do that, you don't need to take out the cluster, but you do need to take out the radio and everything in between just to be able to get to the 12+8. So now we'll go over to the trusty toolbox. Diag drawer, 12+8. Easy. Oh. Alright, so after disassembling half the shit in the dash, I'm gonna go back here and unplug this screen. But you know what? Let me go in there and unplug like 10 other connectors, and then I'll be. So after you take out all of this stuff, pull the radio back, you still gotta take out those two bolts. Then this pops out. Underneath that is a security module that we're gonna plug in the 12+8. All right, so my hands are big and I can't fit in here, so I'm gonna take all this off real quick, just make it easier. All right, so we got a couple of those plugs undone, radio's still hanging. And now there's one more bolt down there that we gotta get off to be able to pop this off. We got that little sucker. The one little stupid bolt off. Pull this down. Get out a little bit. Just push it over down here to the side. You can see the cables. So I had to use two hands to go in there and like lose circulation in that little tiny spot. Pull this out. Put that right there. So now we want to plug into the 12+8 and then figure out what we need to do. This is like super hard to do with one hand, but we are getting it for YouTube. All right, so essentially it's touch and feel, right? I'm grabbing the connector and then I'm finding it, aligning it, and then clicking it into place. All right, we're hooked up. Now we hooked up again. Ooh, now we have power. Beep, 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 beep. Man, so you're locked up. You got the green and blue. Hit the automatic select, read VIN. Oh yeah. That's what it is.